Hello everybody. Hope everyone's all right. We will be looking at the watershed modeling and to create basins in ArcMap. First, we'll download the data from USGS website. Make sure to log in first, and then you can navigate to the area where you want to download your DEM. Use map. Click on use map and then scroll down and click on dataset. Click on digital elevation and select SRTM and then SRTM1 arc second globe. Click on results. Okay, so this is the imagery that will be available to download. Click on download options and then download GeoTIFF 1 arc second. This will be downloaded shortly. Click on ArcMap and then add your data here. You can click on the toolbox for the tools that we will be requiring to perform these analyses. So this is all the tools here, or you can click on search button and you can search here field. That is the first tool we will be using. Open field tool and here put your raster here that you downloaded and click OK. After that, search here flow direction and input there the field raster, that is the output from field, and OK. So flow direction tool completed, and then click on search here. Write flow accumulation. Open the tool and then here input the flow direction raster and then click OK. So flow flow accumulation is also completed. Now search here raster calculator. Sorry, raster calculator. Here we'll write a statement that is use condition, and here we will use the accumulation raster and greater than to the value of 1000. We'll put there 1000. This will do all the values more than 1000 into 1. This is necessary for calculating the streams, and click OK. Rename if you want to and click OK. Okay, then either go to toolbox or you can search it from the search box. Click on stream order tool and here input your stream raster. So this one that we'll get after the raster calculator, and then input here flow direction tool, raster. Click OK. You can turn off the rest of the raster and then click on stream to feature tool. Here input your stream raster, and below the select on flow direction raster, and then click OK. Okay, these are the streams of your given area. Click on Basin tool and then put their flow direction raster and click OK. So this is the basins of the whole area, and if you want to select for the watershed, you need to have snap PowerPoint. In order to do that, you can create a new shapefile here. Click on shapefile and rename it if you want to. Feature type is point, and coordinate system you can select WGS 1984 and click OK. Start editing and then click on create feature, and then put a point where you want a watershed of that point. We click on that and then save your edits and stop editing. Okay, so now we will run the snap PowerPoint tool. So input there the point that we have just created, and then at this you will put the accumulation raster. Yeah, this one. Click OK. Now click in order to run watershed tool, click on watershed tool and then put their flow direction raster, and feature point data we will put the file that we get after the snap PowerPoint, this one, and click OK. So this is the watershed for that certain point. And then click here raster to put their raster to polygon and search. Click this tool and then put their watershed raster there first. You can convert the basin also, I forgot that. Okay, so put the basin raster there and then click OK. So this will be converted to the vector data for visualization, or you for area calculation and something like that. Now you can convert this watershed to polygon with the same method, input raster and then click OK. Yeah, this is what you get for that point, the watershed analysis. This is all. all the watershed of these all streams. Thank you very much.